Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to use format painter in MS Word document. You can use shortcut keys to copy format of a text and then paste in another text where you want. You can also use format painter from home tab. So let's start our video tutorial. For example, if I have a document, I want to copy the formatting of this text, then select this text and now hold down Ctrl plus Shift and C key and you copy and then select another text and paste here. Ctrl Shift plus V now, and in this way you can use shortcut keys for format painter. You can also use format painter from here, home tab. First you need to select the text, copy the formatting of a text which you want to place in another place. Now click format painter and now select the space here. If you want to double click format painter, then you can apply that formatting for more than one text, and whatever text you want, select the text and then double click format painter, and now you can apply multiple text. So in this way you can use format painter in MS Word document. Subscribe the channel and thank you for watching the video.